Easy English podcast. Let's start, guys.
Close your eyes for a second. Imagine Sunday morning. No alarm, no rush, no messages. Just quiet. Soft light in the room, maybe rain outside. You pull your blanket closer and breathe slowly. Everything feels okay. Have you ever felt a Sunday like this? Welcome back to Practice Easy English. I'm Maya.
And I'm Jake.
That moment already feels so peaceful.
Today we are talking about Sunday routines. A good Sunday can really change your whole week.
That is very true. Sunday sets the tone for everything.
My Sunday morning starts with no phone. I don't check my phone for the first hour.
That sounds difficult.
It is difficult at first, but it keeps my mind calm. Otherwise, everything feels noisy immediately.
I also make coffee slowly. I don't rush. I just enjoy the smell, the warmth, and the silence.
That sounds very peaceful, like you are really present in the moment.
Yes, exactly.
My Sunday morning is also slow. I wake up without an alarm, and I stay in bed for a while.
That actually sounds perfect.
It feels like I'm giving myself permission to rest. After that, I like to cook something simple, not fast food, something real and slow.
Cooking on Sunday feels different, right?
Yes, it feels calm. I take my time and enjoy it.
For me, Sunday midday is a long walk. Same park every week, same paths, same trees.
Don't you get bored?
No, I don't. Because it changes slowly with time. It feels natural. It reminds me that life is not rushing. It is moving gently.
That is a beautiful way to see it. My Sunday afternoon is reading time. I sit with tea and a book, no pressure, just enjoyment.
I don't do that often. My afternoons feel a bit messy sometimes.
Messy how?
I feel restless, like I should do something, but I don't know what.
That is very common. Restless, but tired at the same time. Rest is not a waste of time.
That is true. Sunday evening is the hardest part. People call it Sunday scaries.
Yes, that feeling before Monday.
You start thinking about the week and responsibilities, and suddenly Sunday feels heavy.
I used to feel that too. But now I do something simple. I eat dinner without my phone.
No phone again?
Yes, no phone. Then I write 3 small things I look forward to in the week.
Only 3?
Only 3. Small things like coffee, walk, or a call.
That actually changes your mindset.
It does. It makes the week feel lighter. Before sleep, I read a little and think of one calm thought.
That sounds peaceful.
It really is.
Sundays don't have to be perfect. Even small moments matter.
A cup of tea, 5 minutes of quiet, a short walk.
That is enough.
If you are learning English, you are doing something amazing. Keep going, step by step.
We are with you.
Before we go, here is a question.
What is one small thing you do on Sundays that makes you feel like yourself again?
Tell us. We would love to know.
Take care of yourself this week.
You deserve good things.
This is Maya.
And I'm Jake.
And you've been listening to Practice Easy English. Thank you, guys.